For 19, they want us to solve these equations, right? And again, we're going to use algebra to do this. So negative 2x minus 3 equals 3. So first I'll add 3 to both sides, right? Because the goal is to get x all alone, so we have to get rid of everything around the x on that side. So in this case, I get negative 2x. These cancel. Equals 3 plus 3 is 6. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2, and I get x, right, because these cancel. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Okay, for b, I have 7 plus 2x equals 4x minus 3. So I'll subtract 7 from both sides, right, and I'll get 2x equals, right, 4x. Negative 3 and negative 7 is negative 10. Then I'll subtract 4x from both sides because I want to get that to the other side. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. These cancel. Equals negative 10. And I'll divide both sides by negative 2. And I'll get x equals 5, right, for b. And for c, we have 6x minus 10 equals negative 8 plus 3x. Let's add 10 to both sides. Whoops, let me move that right under the 8, right? Okay, so on this side I have 6x equals negative 8 plus 10 is 2 plus 3x. I'll subtract 3x from both sides. And 6x minus 3x is 3x equals 2. And then I'll divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 2/3.